What is a narcissistic smear campaign? A narcissistic smear campaign is a narcissist's attempt to tarnish their victim's image, reputation, credibility, or character. What happens when a narcissist abuser can't control you anymore? It's not peace and quiet. It's war. They can't control you anymore, and that terrifies them. Because narcissists don't love, they possess. When you stop obeying, they play the victim. Suddenly, you're the abuser. They'll twist the truth, rewrite history, and cry louder than you ever did, all to gain sympathy and shift the blame. Smear campaigns begin. They'll tell anyone who'll listen that you're crazy, unstable, or manipulative. Why? Because if people believe you're the problem, they don't have to face their own behaviour. But here's the truth. Their chaos doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've become untouchable. You're no longer feeding the cycle. You are free. And freedom is their worst nightmare. Fake nice guy phase. They might suddenly be sweet, helpful, and cooperative. This isn't growth, it's strategy. Control disguised as change. Silent treatment or total discard. When they can't control you, they may vanish. No closure. No explanation. Just silence, to punish you and regain the upper hand. Love bombing the next victim. The new supply will be everything you once were, until they're not. This is to hurt you, replace you, and prove, to themselves, that they were never the issue.